Joe.
I'm Wild Joe.
This is GT.
Yeah, we have a great show in store for you. We've been playing live comedy at all of the dirtiest dive bars in LA.
Man, it's been crazy. We've been doing a lot of dive bars, and I just wanted to take this and create a podcast about dive bars and just see and let people know what's it like to really feel this whole dive bar scene and the craziness that goes down.
Yeah, as live performers, we see it all. We're right there with the drunks and the crazy people and just anyone that comes in from off the street to go to these dive bars. We haven't made it yet. We're not playing arenas. We're playing the shadiest places you can find.
The hecklers, the folks that there to watch sports. They don't care about your comedy. They just want to watch sports. They're too busy yelling, screaming, and you're just trying to do your comedy. And some folks are drunk and that's their local spot. You look like an inferior person being there.
So thanks for tuning in. We're going to bring you a new show every week with some live comedy, some antics straight from the bar, and some conversation with me and GT. I'm Wild Joe. Thanks for tuning in. Hey ladies, are you looking for hot deals on sexy styles? Check out everydaysweetheart.com. Everyday Sweetheart, where you can find the most sexy fashions for going out, club wear, or just to show off for your loved ones. So check out everydaysweetheart.com and get 10% off with deal code TAKE10, TAKE10, take 10. Thanks a lot.
Welcome to Dive Bar Comedy Show.
Hey, I'm Wild Joe.
And this is GT.
Man, we've been having so much fun out at these dive bars, doing the podcast, getting to know all the comics that are performing, just talking to people on a deeper level.
Yeah, it's a harder audience to perform in front of. A lot of the people there are just drunk, and that's their local spot, and they don't really like, most of the folks that come through.
Yeah, we've seen some near fights a few times.
Yeah, it gets nasty a lot of times, and a lot of hecklers, and people aren't afraid to heckle, that's for sure.
No, but, I like heckling because it just tells the comic they're not doing a good job.
Well, I'm not sure if they're not doing a good job. I think they're just heckling because they just want to be part of comedy.
There's nothing wrong with that. Hey, I like to include the audience. Let everybody in on the show.
Some of those hecklers are just like bullies. They're just bullies who had it suppressed the whole time, and now they just want to bring it all out. Hey guys, looking for a tent? You need a tent for storage. You need a tent for your wedding. You need a tent for your party. You need a tent because you have no garage. Well, log on to webtentsale.com. webtentsale.com and browse around. Hey, Joe, what did you think of the show?
Yeah, I couldn't believe it. People were really talking over everyone's set. Not just the hecklers, but people watching sports. I hate sports. I don't know why somebody would go to a comedy show just to watch sports.
Well, it's a dive bar. There's television sets there. They got sports running at the same time. It's just part of the scene.
I don't know. It was really distracting. I mean, I think I like audience members getting involved and shouting out and stuff, but I just hate being up there when people are ignoring me. That's the worst.
Even when there's no sports, you get a lot of this kind of vibe where people feel more free to heckle, and they feel, because that's their regular spot, they feel like you're invading their spot for some reason.
Yeah, but I'm just thinking back. Remember that show we did at Lotus Lounge? And that big, giant sumo type of guy got mad. He was getting mad at this rapper who was performing, who was lip syncing along to his song, or was singing on top of his song that already had fully recorded rap lyrics. I thought it was whack, as they say. So I agreed with the heckler for sure.
Well, it seems like the heckler was heckling another dude, and I don't want to give out any names. And he took off his shirt. One comedian, he tried to fight. He was trying to provoke a fight with the big heckler, and they went back and forth. Actually, they started getting into each other's faces, and then the host got in between, and the host got pushed so hard, he flew like a feather against the fan.
You don't know how big this heckler was, though. The people who are listening didn't see what we saw. The guy was probably 400 pounds, like solid, like a huge, like Hawaiian or Samoan type of guy.
And Mista See himself is not a small guy. He's a large black man, and
but he's thin. He's thin, so his center of gravity was probably, he's tall too. His center of gravity is higher. He just went flying when that sumo guy came at him.
Yeah, he flew like a feather, and then he injured himself. So
he played it off. He acted like it didn't hurt at all. But
if you're gonna start a fight, be ready to take it on. Don't expect people to get between you and the heckler.
All right. Well, hopefully we don't have any problems this show. Hoping for a smooth show where people pay attention, no fighting, and no heckling. So thanks for tuning in.
All right, guys. Thanks a lot. This is Dive Bar Comedy Show. It's this first episode. We're gonna bring you a lot of things that go down at dive bars, and it's gonna be an interesting ride.
Hey, a big thanks to all our listeners, and a very special thanks to all our fans who came out to check out our last show at Universal Bar and Grill. Universal Bar and Grill in North Hollywood, where they carry Global Vodka. Our sponsor, Global Vodka. It's 100% gluten-free, smooth finish, great taste from Italy. And Global Vodka, you can check it out at global-vodka.com or come see us live and have a taste for yourself.
Now, we're going to play some clips of some great artists, comedy acts, comedians, comics. They're all the same. From Zoe Johnson, April Cowgirl, Edgar Mota, David Archila, Rob Smallwood, Al Greene, Brian Blank, Batman, Molly Sharrow, and Amanda Greene.
And don't forget us, GT, me, Wild Joe.
And GT.
And our awesome MC, Mista See. Here's our show.
Show some love and slap your hands together for the young lady named April Cowgur.
Hey everybody, welcome. I swear to God I rode into town with that name. I did not come up with that. We got a hot little group going on here tonight. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. My name is April. Tried to dress up for you guys a little tonight. I did wear my fancy sneakers. Okay, I got you looking. All right.
I like it.
Thank you. Thank you. I know there's an important game going on. I know.
What game? It's all good. What game?
What game? I know nothing about sports, so if something big happens, I got a plan. I'm just gonna yell, "There it is!" Works for every sport, every situation. So, all right. Thank you. There it is. You can use that if you need to, guys. Okay. Anyway, yeah, like I said, I wear my fancy sneakers. These are the kind that come with a little hidden heel in there. Okay. 2 extra inches of confidence. Some of you dudes are like, I gotta get a pair of those shoes for my dick. JK. No. But with these shoes, I know sneakers with heels is ridiculous, but it is perfect for like if you want to be 75% active and 100% sure you're gonna hurt yourself. It's the perfect situation. Without these shoes, you guys, I am 5 foot nothing. Emphasis on the nothing.
Hey, if any of you are in the LA area and you have slippery floors, Don't be liable for slip and fall accidents on your floor. Check out tightgripla.com. Tightgripla.com. Slip-proofing solutions for any tile floor. Entryways, bathrooms, kitchens, restaurants, you name it. Check out tightgripla.com.
Luis Garcia has the ball. She kicks the ball towards Maria. Maria flips the ball in the air. Boom, boom, boom. Go! Mucho trabajo porque tener no suficiente para comer.
All right, so Luis is not here.
Where is he? I just saw him right here. All right. I don't think Luis is fucking with you on some street shit. You owe Luis money. That Luis ain't fucking with you. Give Luis $7 and Luis will perform. Past that, we go to the next person. Now this next person, I think his parents may have been drug dealers or drug addicts because their last name means weed in Mexican. It's very concerning. I think we should watch this guy. But then again, if he's on weed, he's probably a perfect person. So, shit, with a name like that, he's made of weed. The girls suck his dick, you'll get high, ladies. So, give a good round of applause for a gentleman coming up right now. You're going to suck his dick to get high. He's a good brother. His name starts with an E. It closes with an M. And his name, Weed. Put it together and show some love for Mr. Edgar
Thank you. I love that gesture you made. That's the exact gesture women make when they're smoking my mota. Oh no, okay, all right, a little too much. I've already lost the women, damn, and I've already like 30 seconds in. Oh well, whatever. Guys enjoying the game? I should just like commentate the game, you know, just while I'm up here, you know. Because let's say let's say my set doesn't go good, I can at least like, hey, the Dodgers are winning. Right? Give that, yeah, give the Dodgers, let's go. Yeah. But yeah, mota, it's like, I keep hearing that, like it's Spanish for weed, I know that. But at this rate, I feel like I should just open up a dispensary, just call it mota. Yeah, right? I'd be like a dispensary and then like, I can get my parents to make Mexican food in the back. That's a double right there. But mota is like partially my name. My full name is Edgar Raúl Mota Hernandez Herrera Visar Garcia Campos. You killed my father. I'll see you in hell. Sanchez III.
Yeah, that's a good name right there. All right. I like this stuff. He was good. The good boy had good energy and shit. He didn't take his shirt off like I requested, even though I'm straight. So that's kind of weird. I'm like a European man. I'm so comfortable with my sexuality. I just say some gay shit. Just like, do some gay shit. And I'm like, oh man, what's going on? I like bitches. But that's not the point. So next up, actually, I think we have our lost soul in here tonight because we lost a man, Mr. LG, from the Bird Sweat Guild. It went now, which is the Spanish group. So we're gonna get him up right here. I don't know, was that him just going out the door? Okay, I'm just making sure because there's some dude named Luis G that we're gonna introduce now. I ain't introduced you yet, but I don't see anybody moving. So, we're gonna try this shit again because GT said he was here. So, put your hands together for the LUISGARCIA. And his mama calls him Luis Garcia. He's still not here, GT.
Hey, Luis Garcia, get up here, man.
He's still not here. Who is Luis Garcia? Oh, my man from Florida. Yo, get back. Yo, hold on. See, I'm gonna tell you, the craziest motherfuckers in America are from the Bronx and from Florida. And usually, if they from the Bronx, they family from fucking Florida. So give a round of applause for Florida, Mr. Slick Dick Gator motherfucker, take him down, Luis Badass Garcia.
Totally off guard there for one or two reasons. First of all, Luis Garcia was my father. And second of all, folks, I am actually Danny Archila. It rhymes. I didn't say Luis Garcia. What?
You told me a different name.
I told you Danny.
I know, but
Hey, it's all good. It's all good. No one. We're here to laugh, right? Were we all having a good time? What's going on? We enjoying ourselves? All right. Wonderful. Let's just start this from the top then. All right, here we go. I mean, you guys are making me so jittery up here. It's. I have to do some crowd work. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Here's where my vomit will go. No. I don't mean to be nervous. I actually mean to be average. That said, let's meet in the median and make ourselves a great discouragement. How are y'all doing? My name is Danny Archila / Talkin' Manila / Hairless Chinchilla / I don't remember. Who is he? Oh yeah, he's not funny.
So another round of applause for Daniel Archila. That's what I'm talking about. Good shit. So next up, we got another wonderful comedian coming up right now. He's got a name like I don't know, he sounds like a good baseball player, maybe an athlete. He's like, man, Jesus, Mr. Smallwood hit a great line drive down the right-hand side today. I like his name. It sounds good. It sounds beautiful. So I want you to show some love and put your hands together for the RS, God's son, Mr. Rob. I'm ready to rock now. Rob, Mr. Smallwood. From the hood.
Give it up for the Guinness Book of World Records of the longest intros ever. This bar is probably the only bar I've been to where I've wished that I've been roofied. You know, has anybody felt that? Because that's how I feel right. I just want to forget all of this, every last one of you. I want to just not remember this night at all. I went to the bathroom. The only instructions they have is don't sit down. That's the type of place this is. Give it up for all the comics that went up here and did their best. Appreciate you guys so much for coming out to this wonderful mix of occasion of I don't know what I'm talking about right now. About me, my daddy married a white lady, so all that meant for me growing up was that the sugar to Kool-Aid ratio in my household was as instructed. That's all that really meant. I tell you all that to tell you this. I'm a connoisseur when it comes to white cuisine, because I didn't really taste flavors other than salt and pepper until I was 12. And the pepper was the occasional when my mom wanted something spicy. Okay, cool.
Everybody, you feeling all right in here, motherfuckers? That's what I'm talking about. How them Dodgers looking? All right. So there's 2 Dodger fans, so we don't gotta care about the game. I think it's only 2 in here. You're the only 2 that reacted. Anybody else Dodger fan? Los Dodgers? Nope. You 2? All right, we're going to kick you motherfuckers out because y'all fucking shit up. How I supposed to know, Jack? How I supposed to know? I am from Philly, by the way, so ladies, don't take no drinks from me tonight because they do come with a pill and the $200 of money on your back for the Uber in the morning. Anyway, don't worry about it. So next up on the list, we got another wonderful comedian coming up. Actually, this guy has the same name as my mother's favorite all-time singer. Now, she's an old black lady with South Carolina parents, and you know who she loves? So in love with you, whatever you want to. You know who that is? That's Mr. Motherfucking A.L. Greene. And that's the next motherfucker that's coming up to the stage. So put your hands together for Mr. Al Greene.
How y'all doing tonight? This is the black to black part of the show, ain't it? We don't get all the niggas out at the same time. Like we came together. Man, I tell you, I ain't paying attention to shit that going on at that stage tonight, are y'all, boy? I tell you, that was an active shooter came in here. Y'all ain't even paying attention. Hey, you kept watching the game. He would have shot you in your ass. You would have kept watching that goddamn game. You didn't care. The shooter came in here, didn't know I paid attention, so he just walked out like, fuck it, man. I don't even care about, look, I've been acting like white folks act about racism with these shooters. I've been like, it don't really affect my life, you know? Like, they're shooting up the mall like, I'm not in the mall. Don't nothing fit me in the mall except cologne and socks. Like, it's not like I'm in there shopping. They shooting up schools. I'm like, I ain't got no kids in school. It doesn't pertain to me. Then they started shooting up Waffle Houses. I was like, whoa, shit, now they shooting up eateries now. Like, I got to pay them more attention now. Like, that's, my chances went up to 100% that I could get shot every day. I'm somewhere eating, shit, god damn. I got scared as hell. Then I realized, I was like, hold on, now, it was Waffle House. I don't even fit in Waffle House. Like, I can't even fit them little big ass boots, you know what I'm saying? I'd have been mad because the shooter would have came in there. He might not even shot me. He'd have been like, no, he don't even waste a bullet on him. He can't get out that goddamn booth. Like, just, I'd have felt discriminated against.
So once more, another round of applause for Mr. Al Greene. That's what I'm fucking talking about. You goddamn right. Somebody suck that green dick tonight. You know what I mean? Show that big man some love. You know what I mean? So we got another comedian coming up. Also, since we got some quality people tonight and a gentleman that's well experienced in the comedy genre that's been around for years, Mr. Tommy Morris is here tonight. If you want some critique on your comedy stand-up, you want to hear what you do right, what you do wrong, what you can improve with, he's got valuable information, and my man is on the left side, and he would love to help you guys be better at what you do. Tommy Morrison, show some love, check him out. All right. So next up on the list, we got a wonderful comedian coming up that's going to lay it down. It's actually a girl, and I like her name. She like some shit from the 60s, like one of Gidget's cousins or something. This is like, oh, I'm Gidget, and my cousin's name is Miss Molly and shit. Or she could be a good girl and Miss Molly. I like it. She got the dome. I like that shit. But right now, put your hands together and show some love for a wonderful lady that she's got some talent coming from her toes to her hips, even if they flapping from the lips. She's kind of tall and she drop your jaws and she bring it to the place where you got no flaws. Put your hands together and show some love for Miss Molly Sharrow.
How's it going? Yeah. Not a lot of woos, but some. I like it. I've been sending dick pics recently. To my ex, just the ones that he sent me, just send them back. Just so he knows that I still have them. I fucking still have them. Chris. Like to say his name in that joke. It's not here. I quit drinking, so this is a hard place to be at. It's been 18 weeks for me. I told everybody last week it was 18 weeks, so since I quit drinking, nothing has fucking changed. I'm still shitty at math, and I want to drink all the time, so it's fun. You guys can drink, I can't. So I'm an alcoholic. My dad had heart surgery recently, the other day. He's fine, but I was worried about his heart because his dad died from a young age of a heart attack. His dad died in the bed he was born in. Yeah, we don't throw shit away in my family. We're the ultimate hoarders. Thanks that placenta, it's still good. Keep that mattress around. Get that shit off. I feel like I'm an awkward girl at all times. I feel like my role is just awkward girl in the background of a porno. I just always stand there like, you guys still fucking in here? Just trying to fax some shit. It's a real office, for God's sake. It's a Sunday. It's fucked up. I work with some shitty people. I like this one guy I work with. He's shorter than me, and one of the girls like, you can't fuck him. He's shorter than you. I was like, tall people can fuck short people. I see it all the time. NBA players fuck short people. Like, there's no positions we can't do just because we're tall. Like, I can do them all. I just gotta bend differently. That's all. Just
Know your bending skills. That's all. Thanks, man. I'll do one more and let other people feel like this. What else? I'm terrified of ladies. I don't know what it is about women. It's scary. Like, we have to compliment one another right away. Like, you're like, nice purse, nice shoes. Like, the guys don't have to do that. You're not like, nice pecs, Jeremy. Like, that would be fucking weird. That's how I'm gonna end. I'm really sure you guys have a great night.
What happened to our host? I guess he's in the back doing something strange. All right. Hey, babe, come up here. What happened to Mista See?
Oh, he's hobbling around on his broken leg.
Okay, so I was urinating. Now let's talk about problems with men in the bathroom, you disgusting motherfucking penis-wielding bastards. Can you elbow the handle for a nigga so I don't go in there and piss into a pool of sitting piss, so when I hit it, the shit splashes up against my fucking shins while I'm peeing. So I'm like, yo, what's splashing up against my knees? I'm like, that's not warm. No, that's these niggas' piss that leave a pool in the bottom of the fucking urinal. Fucking man. Use your fucking elbow, you pieces of shit. All right, tie it over. I'm sick of yelling at y'all. I love you motherfuckers anyway. We're still gonna conquer motherfucking Kim Jong-un when he brings the 7 Asian women with him that'll dominate America. But I had to go on that rant because I had urine on my shins just now, and I'm not handling it very well. I need my dick sucked. All right, fine, be stubborn. Be stubborn. Don't offer to suck my dick. Just, all right, I'll just have my pissy shins, and I'll just be happy with my urinated shins. That's my life right now. All right, so we got a couple more comedians. We got 2 more comedians coming up and whatnot. Actually, 3. We got 1, 2, 3 coming up. We're gonna close it out with Zoe Johnson, who's a dope motherfucker that be working with Tiffany Haddish and shit. He be shooting bitches in the street. He from Chicago, so you know he got a gun on him every day. But right now we're gonna go to our next comedian that I love his name. I think he's the cousin of Billy Blanks, so he might do that karate kung fu shit, so don't talk shit to him, because he's gonna punch you in your shit if you say something. So please show some love and put your hands together with my man with the double B's to his name. They call him B on the street, they call him B at the job, call him B at the house because he B with the mouth. Put your love for Mr. Brian Blair.
Guys, give it up for that introduction. You guys should give it up for every introduction. Hey, man, yo. What do you do for a living?
I rap and sing and work in legal.
You should definitely be a strip club announcer. You have the voice of the best strip club announcer that has never done strip club announcing. The last time he introduced me, he was like, "Is Brian Blank here?" All right, come on up. So this was a cooler introduction for sure. Give it up for this weird show, guys. What a weird show. You guys don't care again. All right, I get it. My older brother just signed up to be a big brother. And he definitely did not put me down as a reference. Guys, I'm the only person that knows what my brother's like as a big brother. Big brother should have done some more research. They might want to know that my brother stabbed me with a steak knife over Madden.
Oh, shit, really?
Yeah, you're the only person in this whole audience that cares. You're the only person in this audience. I don't know if you guys heard, but my brother fucking stabbed me with a steak knife over Madden, and none of you guys had a reaction. I don't know. I mean, I'm alive, yeah. It was a steak knife. But you guys should still have a little bit more of a reaction than nothing. Didn't care about my safety at all. I get it.
So I got another wonderful gentleman coming up. He's actually one of your headliner type guys. This dude is from Chicago. He does a lot of work with Tiffany Haddish. He also works with my homies in skit bags. I ain't shit, but my homies are dope, so that makes him dope too. And this motherfucker is good as fuck. He's cooler than a motherfucking fan. He's a true soldier. He works from the lowest level to the highest level of the game. He gets paid and unpaid. He gets stocked and unstocked. He gets got and ungot. You better rock when you motherfucking rock and come to the Chicago smoke gun city when you pop the Glock. Put your hands together for Mr. Ziggity Zoe Johnson!
You are fucking amazing, bro. Thank you. I felt good in the motherfucker. Like, how did she make it up? I ain't do that, motherfucker. I was like, yeah. Keep saying that shit, motherfucker. Give me the Zoe Johnson. Like, hell yeah, keep going, motherfucker. I love you, Carl. What's up, man? I'm little on the last motherfucker. Just give me a little love. Couple up, clap. When he introduced me, I was trying to look all cool. Like, yeah, like on the stage, I got caught right there. She's like, watch out, you got your shirt caught. Get it. I'm like, God damn it, it's bullshit. This hip hop shit is getting out of control. You know, Pusha T and Drake, y'all heard about that beef? Y'all know that side I don't know about rap. Hopefully one of y'all might get it, you know what I'm saying? Rappers, man, you know what? Rappers try to get real sensitive to fuck you up. Like, really, like, go way back when y'all first met to fuck you up in a lyric. You know what I'm saying? Pusha T says some shit like, hey, I'm not gonna do it in a rap way. I'm just gonna say it like how I was saying and shit. I'm talking to you and shit. He like, hey, Drake, you got a kid, not a stripper. Don't, like, disrespect your kid. Don't claim your kid because she's a stripper. I'm like, ooh. And the girl's like, oh my God, that's the truth. Get your kid, motherfucker.
All right. So we actually got a surprise guest coming up, one more comedian. He actually, I think he has a dude named Alfred that works for him in his bat cave in his free time. So he's extremely creative with his knowledge of entertainment and skills and brilliance on a whole nother level. That's right. So we fired up. So what you guys been talking about? Hey, at the bar, what we been talking about? That's what I'm talking about. Let's show him a little six-pack for that. There you go. All right. We good. I'm good. I'm gonna touch myself later. When I get home, late at night, I gotta learn how to sleep. Well, also, I'm gonna give a round of applause and shout out. Everybody put your hands together for a young lady. Her name is Amanda Greene, and she is the Cyndi Lauper of our modern era. And you don't know she's in here with you tonight, but a talented musician. Now, she's a little fucking crazy, too, but that's what makes her Cyndi Lauper. I love her, though. All heart, baby. All motherfucking heart. So we got another comedian coming up right now. He is the closer for the night, so you gotta be ready. Listen to what he got to say. Show us some love, and for the man that's coming from the cage, show some love for back. Batman. It's Batman.
God damn, I ain't never had an introduction like that. He looked like he sounded like he was about to go to the bathroom up here. Batman. I'm gonna need 45 minutes. This is nice. Crowd of bar people, that's amazing. Give yourselves a round of applause, y'all look good. For the 5 or 6 people that are listening to me, thank you very much. Everybody else is turned around to the bar eating the peanuts and potato chips like, fuck this black man up on stage, I don't give a fuck. That's how my 2018 has been going lately. It's fucked up. Anybody else since 2018 been going fucked up? Everybody in the bar, y'all drinking your problems away, so it's obviously got to be fucked up a little bit. I came in 2018 with so much promise, I said 2018 is going to be my bitch. I am not going to 2018 with 2017 problems. Shit. I came in 2018 with 2012 problems. Like, I was paying child support in 2012. I'm still paying child support in 2018. Like, that bitch is about to graduate. I'm just waiting for that last check. Like, as soon as she walks across the stage, yay, bitch. was riding the bus in 2012. I'm still riding the fucking bus in 2018. This is a hard place to find on the bus. They don't stop right here. They go all the way the fuck down the street. You ever be on the bus and the motherfucker like, I'm not stopping? He didn't stop. I'm like, no, it's right across the street from the car lot. You can buy a car and see some comedy at the same time. Fucked up.
That's right, that's right, that's right. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Yo, GT. Is that the last of the comedians, GT? All right, all right. So, all right. So, should we close with some sort of rap song or something? You know what? I'm going to do a freestyle rap of everybody's name in my phone that was a performer tonight. And we're going to start. What's this place called? The Underground, what is it? Universal Bar and Grill? All right. Yeah, we chillin' at the Universal Bar and Grill. Probably call the super brother that be coming on chill. Yo, I got my man Louis Garcia in no place, but his name is Darren Archila on Chase. Yo, GT got the name wrong with his dad. Don't worry about the motherfucker calling the gag. Yo, we got the April Cowgirl in the rag. He's coming to the block cause he do like the dad. Yo, we got my man Edgar Mota. What the fuck are you talking about?
I'm rapping everybody's name.
What the fuck was that?
Get down to business, bitch! 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 Let's get this party started. I come for one reason only. That's the party. Baby, we can do all that we want. We can get nasty, baby, talk nasty, get freaky. I can make your kitty drool. Come, let me give you a kitty a kiss, make it poor. Baby, we can do all that we want. We can get nasty, baby, talk nasty, get freaky. Let's get this party started. I come for one reason only. That's the party. Get down to business, bitch. 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 Get down to business, bitch.
Yo, picking up on the last word, yo. Ross on, we got a turn, yo. Al Greene, better than yo. Molly Shannon, kinda cool, yo. Brian Blanks, chillin' on things. Edgar Mota, doing things. Long. Joe Ramon, boom, Jerome, Mr. Fellow, Mr. Call Brother, wait, long tell low. You had the list, Ross Smallwood, Mr. Call Super Brother, coming on the good. Zoe Johnson, Mr. Bonson, Freestyle over, Nonson. Thank you guys for coming out. DT fucked up my freestyle being an asshole. I was going out on names. But good job. Thank you guys for hanging out. Thank you guys for coming out. Thank you guys. Once again, comedians. Tommy Morris is in the house. 20 years of comedy store experience, seeing 30 motherfuckers that sucked on the mic coming up. He has a great opinion on what you did tonight. Give that man 5 minutes and ask him, did I suck or was I good? And what do you think? Tommy Morris. And the motherfucker can sing, so he got a girl with him, so I guess we can't suck his dick. All right, she's got that handle. But anybody else, if she's not around, offer to suck his dick. And comedians, get an opinion on your set. Learn how to grow. Take constructive criticism. It is the people that tell you the harsh shit that love you the most. Not the people that say nothing. Remember that in Hollywood. The people that say nothing to you are not your friends. The people that check you are your friends. Thank you for coming out to the GT Comedy Jam. Thank you for coming out to the Universal Bar and Grill. Give yourself a round of applause and say, hey, yo! Alright? Have a good night, guys. GT Comedy Jam. Sleep well. And don't take no drink from me tonight because there's a pill limit. Peace out, guys.
Hey guys, you need carpet, hardwood floors, laminate, tile, luxury floors. Log on to selectflooring.biz. You will get all the support you need. And if you need installation, ask for it. Once again, log on to selectflooring.biz for your flooring needs.
Hey, I'm Wild Joe. I'm here with Mista See. Hey, Mista See, what'd you think of the show tonight?
Shit was popping. We got Amanda Greene in the house, all kind of talent. Zoe Johnson. We got you, of course, Miss Wild Joe.
Aw.
And then we got the Gangster Taco, GT Topolian. It was a great show tonight. A lot of love at the Universal Bar and Grill. Peace out, my God.
Hey, Amanda.
Dun, dun, dun. What's going on, Wild Joe?
Oh, Amanda missed my set. Hey. Thank you.
I'm April Cowgur. That's my real name, believe it or not, you guys. But we had
Cowgirl?
Yeah. Well, there's no L, so it's close. But yeah. But we had a good time. Thank you. Thank you. I followed you on Instagram, so that, yeah, because I'm looking. Yeah. Hey.
I'm sorry. I'm just.
Funny as fuck.
I am just interrupting this white girl, and I know it's going to be some shit. Hi, podcast. How are ya? How you doing? This is Batman.
How'd you like closing out the show here?
I loved it. It's an amazing stage. I think the carpet needs a little bit of rework, but other than that, amazing. I love this place, Universal Bar and Grill. Y'all better come out and check this show out for real.
What about all those hecklers? Did you guys get interrupted by hecklers?
Well, you just buy them a drink because they're just all sitting at the bar. You just buy them a drink and let them go. Barflies,
Yeah, they're just drunk and loud.
Yeah, think about the comedy dive bars. We get a lot of rowdy people watching sports, and they don't care about the comedians. They just talk over your shit, and you got to deal with it. You can't, they're too busy watching hockey finals and basketball finals. They don't give a damn about your stupid comedy.
Oh, the comics were very professional. Everybody handled it really well. What'd you think, Amanda?
I thought they handled it really well, too. The vibe down here was incredible. There were some super white people at the bar that were cavorting with each other. They were not anything to diminish the quality or the show here tonight. I think I'll give it a thumbs up, Wild Joe.
Thanks. So, Cowgirl.
Yes, baby.
Was this your first time in a dive bar?
Oh, no. I'm from Chicago. I grew up in dive bars, so this feels right to me. Sometimes you got some hecklers watching watching sports of all kinds. I'm not really a sports person. I'm like sports adjacent, but I like to yell and woo, so they welcome me in, just woo all day, and they'll let you right in. So.
Yeah, you have the athletic shoes that are very impractical you were talking about.
Yeah, my sneakers, they got a 2.5-inch heel in here, but I can still run and catch the bus just like anybody else, yeah. I've been practicing.
We got Edgar Mota right here. We got Edgar Mota.
Hello, it's Edgar Mota. I don't know what else to say, but it's a good show tonight.
You were enjoying the show.
I was enjoying it as not just as a performer, but as a spectator also. So yeah, I think it was a good all-around show, especially for a bar out here. Most bars I perform they too focused on the drinks and not really focused on what's going on stage.
So is this the kind of place you would want for Mota's restaurant/dispensary?
Oh yeah, I mean at least maybe next to it or maybe its own building or. I think we could rent out a space in the back. No one was using that. I could use that probably.
Awesome. You were very funny. We had a great time meeting you tonight.
Oh, thank you. The pleasure is always mine.
I heard the baby's starting to cry.
Uh-oh. We better get out of here before our baby has a fit. So thanks for coming out, Amanda Greene. You got to meet our baby.
Baby's starting to teeth. Yeah. She's starting to bite.
Ready to bite you.
You ever sing baby, baby, baby at your baby?
I sing angel baby to my baby.
That's very cute. How does it go?
Angel baby, my angel baby.
She's good at singing songs. She knows a lot of songs. She knows a lot of baby songs.
And next time I'll do some more singing.
Joe has a musical background in Hollywood.
Thank you. All right, Amanda, you're going to have to join us next time and catch the whole show.
I would love it.
All right, this is GT
Wild Joe, thanks for tuning in
to Dive Bar Comedy Show.
Yeah. Thanks for tuning in to the first episode of Dive Bar Comedy. I look forward to many more fun shows with you. So please subscribe